Heyo guys, so welcome back to another video, and today I'll be taking you guys to Krangsuri and today is gonna be my first time there, so you're gonna be travel with me. And right now we're on our way there, so we just stopped here to do a little bit of intro to you guys, so you guys an update when we reach there. So yeah, let's go. We just parked our vehicle there in the parking lot. Right now we are on our way to the waterfall, and as you can see we have to go all the way down there. So yeah, let's go. We are finally here, and as you can see the waterfall was right over there, and I'm gonna give you a quick shot and view. Yeah. We actually have to cross this little dam over here, and we have to carry our shoes in our hand, and we have to cross that dam over there as I've shown you. And now we'll go to the viewpoint over there to show you guys the best view ever. So we just reached the viewpoint, and I'll be showing you guys the best view ever you have never seen before. So check this out. Yeah guys, as you can see the beautiful waterfall as I've shown you. So if you want to visit this place, it's not that far from Jowai, and it's about 21 kilometers, and it's the most attracted place and waterfall in the West Jantia. So yeah, so that's it guys for today, and thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on another video. So please comment down below how do you like this place, and let me know what do you think of my video. And thank you, and I'll see you guys on another video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button for me, and click the like button, share this video if you want to. If you want, you don't have to, and if you want to give it a like. If you don't like it, you can click the thumbs down, and yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.